Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've already opened Edge and loaded the target page. Good. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner to reveal Edge's tools. Once the menu appears, move directly to More Tools. This is where Edge creates user shortcuts. Make sure the site is not a file or extension page because Edge will not offer a Create Shortcut option there. While you open More Tools, mentally prepare a concise name for the shortcut so you can set it quickly in the next step. Once you select Create Shortcut, a dialog appears asking for a name and whether to open the page as a window. Name it something short and recognizable. This helps when pinning. If you want the site to behave like an app with its own window and no tabs, check Open as Window. Then click Create. Edge will generate the shortcut and place it on your desktop and register it under Apps. This makes it available for pinning to Start or the taskbar. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the desktop or open the apps list. After the shortcut appears, right-click it to pin to Start or pin to taskbar so you can launch the site instantly. Once pinned, test launch. Make sure the URL and window behavior match your choice. If you don't see the shortcut, open Edge//apps or the Edge Apps menu. Sometimes Windows places it in the Apps folder instead of Desktop. Drag it to Desktop. If Create Shortcut is missing, confirm you're on a standard web page, not an internal or PDF page, then retry. Restart Edge if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.